So what I'm going to do is crawl up here and hold the ball against my face and release it. And if it obeys conservation of energy, it'll come to the exact same height, and I'll be fine. It could go higher, and then it would crush my face, but it's not going to, because it's going to obey conservation of energy. Now, I really don't like this demo because, to me, there's not a lot of dramatic tension. Because, one, I know you've seen this before. You've seen it done before. And two, if a physicist gets their face messed up, does it really matter, you know? So I think what I'm going to do it different. I'm going to raise the stakes. Or you might say, I'm going to lower them. I'm going to do it from here, and I'm going to hold it here. So I cannot possibly back up any farther. I'm hanging off the edge of the bench, and I'm going to hold it here and release it. I give you the Hafner's Cradle. I'm not nervous at all because I believe in the conservation of energy.